So I built a battery backup circuit using 24-volt power supply to power two motors in parallel, and when I can also power this two motors in parallel with a battery, so I can power with external power from the power supply and power 24 volts from the battery to the motor. So here I'll demonstrate real quickly. Okay, I have 27 volts running the motors on external power, so the motors are running off of the power supply. Okay, now I'm going to enable my battery right here, my 6 lithium ion batteries for 24 volts. Now I'm going to include my battery power to the motors, even though I have external power applied as well. So my battery, and you can see it right here, when I'm on battery power, it's about 24 volts coming off the battery. When I flip the switch, I'm running external power and battery power. So to prove that, I'm going to kill my power supply. So I'm going to kill external power, and now the two motors are running off a battery. So I got battery power and I got external power. So now my power supply can supply power to the motors, my battery can supply power to the motors. The battery and the power supply are in parallel, so they can run at the same time. They can be both enabled to run both these motors or independently. So I'm going to kill my external power, and motors run off of battery power, and vice versa.